So are you thinking about moving to Shell Beach, California? Well, today I'm going to show you a special video where we fly over Shell Beach. I'm going to show you the whole thing from the south to the north. We're going to cover some history and all the neighborhoods, so you're not going to have any questions about Shell Beach after watching this video. So stick in there, hang in till the very end because I'm going to cover the whole thing. If this is your first time on the channel, make sure you click the subscribe and the bell icon down below so you'll be the first to know when I post more information about moving to Shell Beach or anything on the Central Coast. If you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, I'm happy to help you no matter what, because I get calls from people just like you every single day. And I absolutely love helping people move to the Central Coast. Okay, so welcome to Shell Beach. We're going to do a flyover with the drone today so I can explain to you the area of Shell Beach, California, and it's a part of Pismo Beach, California. There are several Shell beaches in California, but we're talking specifically here on the Central Coast in Pismo Beach. Now, Shell Beach is not actually a total town. It is a part of Pismo Beach. It's over here on the west side of Highway 101. You can see Highway 101 is splitting Pismo Beach. Up here on the other side of the highway, that is Pismo proper, and right down here is the part of Pismo Beach known as Shell Beach. This neighborhood here is the original neighborhood. We had a developer come in 1926, and he bought 41 acres right here for $45,000. Can you believe that? $45,000, and then he split it and made these 500 lots. He sold these lots for as little as $195, and obviously all of those lots are still being used. You can see when we fly over, there's little bungalows tucked in next to big houses. That's very, very typical in the southern part of Shell Beach. The original homes were just the small bungalows. Over time, he cut the lots out. They're really small little lots. They're cheap, but small. So you can see how small they are. And the big homes in that southern part of Shell Beach tend to take up the whole entire lot, whereas the next door neighbor might still have their small original bungalow that has, a little yard space or backyard or front yard. But we see that mixed in the southern part of Shell Beach, where small house, big house, small house, big house, they're all kind of packed in together. Multi-million-dollar giant mansions next to something that looks like it's straight out of the 40s or 50s. So we're doing a flyover. So Shell Beach, again, it's all along the coast, and it ends at Highway 101 as we go northbound on Highway 101. So that's Pismo on the right side of the 101. As we're going northbound through Shell Beach now, we're in the newer neighborhoods. These neighborhoods have bigger lots. They have some shared green spaces in parks, and there are some big, beautiful properties here in Shell Beach. It's a very highly desirable area. You can see some of these big properties that go right up along the cliffs. These cliffs do come down. They will continue to erode and come down over time. So I don't know what these folks are doing for homeowners insurance or how long they're going to be there, but eventually, these cliffs are just going away. You can see there used to be some stairwells that they've fallen away. There's not a lot of access to Shell Beach. And speaking of access to the beach, as we fly over, you can see that even though this is called Shell Beach, there's really not very much beach up here at all. It's really more like Shell Cliffs. So if you want to go to the beach proper, there are a couple little cutouts, a few little beaches in Shell Beach. They're very coarse sand. They're nice little beaches with great tide pools. But if you want to go to the beach, then you're going to want to go right down to Pismo Beach, go down on a pier, and to the big soft sand of Pismo Beach. Now Shell Beach is right up here to the north, and it heads up toward Avila Beach, in Shell Beach Road actually ends at Avila Beach Road, and then we'll go down into the Avila Beach neighborhoods. So we're going to go up and we're going to fly back from this northern part of Shell Beach and show you the whole thing. So this is all Shell Beach. You can see there's the 101. That's what I'm saying. It kind of splits Pismo Beach in half. And this is all in Shell Beach. It goes down to our original takeoff spot, which was the Dinosaur Caves Park. And then that's really about it for Shell Beach. Then you can go down Shell Beach Road into the other part, Pismo Beach. That's where we get the hotels, we get other, multifamily and other properties in Pismo Beach. But here's a really good look. What a beautiful area. It was a little bit stormy and windy when we shot the video out here. But that's Shell Beach. So that's it. There's not much to it. And didn't think it was going to take very long to do the video. So, but if you have any questions, if I can help you, your friends or your family with any moves or any questions about the Central Coast, Bruce Carson Realtor, I'm here to help.